Bollywood actor Anupam Kher is deeply saddened over Aamir Khan's recent remark on the rising intolerance in the country. Speaking at Ramnath Goenka Awards function, Aamir had said, "When I chat with Kiran at home, she says, should we move out of India? That's a disastrous and big statement for Kiran to make. She fears for her child. She fears what the atmosphere around us will be. She feels scared to open the newspapers every day." That does indicate that there is this sense of growing disquiet, there is growing despondency apart from alarm. So, it is important for political parties to take a stand, and a sense of insecurity grows when we don't see that happening. However, these remarks by Aamir didn't go down too well with veteran actor Anupam Kher, who has slammed the Satyamev Jayate host for his such remarks in a series of tweets on his Twitter handle. "Dear Aamir Khan, did you ask Kiran which country would she like to move out to? Did you tell her that this country has made you Aamir Khan? Dear Aamir, did you tell Kiran that you have lived through more worse times in this country but you never thought of moving out? Dear Aamir, when did Incredible India become Intolerant India for you? Only in the last 7-8 months. Dear Aamir, presumed country has become intolerant. What do you suggest to millions of Indians? Leave India or wait till regime changes? Dear Aamir, you talked about evil practices but gave hope in Satyamev Jayate. So even in intolerant times, you need to spread hope, not fear." Even actor Paresh Rawal, who is now an MP as well, voiced his opinion against Aamir Khan's remark and wrote on his Twitter page, "Aamir is a fighter, so he should not leave but change the situation in the country. Jeena yahan, marna yahan. A true patriot will not run away and leave his motherland behind in turmoil or in troubled times. If any, don't escape, build it. If I believe this is my motherland, then I will never talk about leaving it, but I would if I had believed otherwise." Intolerance. PK did rattle the belief of Hindus, but Aamir didn't face the wrath of Hindu or the majority but was super hit and made crores. Now it has to be seen what ugly turn will this intolerance row take.